सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ विल टेक दिस केस ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स विद डाइलेक्ट्रिक। आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग कैपेसिटर का बिहेवियर डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम में कैसे आता है, मतलब कि हाउ डज इट इम्पैक्ट द कैपेसिटेंस, एनर्जी, चार्ज स्टोरेज एंड एवरीथिंग, दैट विल सी इन डिटेल। ठीक है, तो मेनली डाइलेक्ट्रिक्स के बारे में यहाँ पे कैपेसिटर में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सी द केस इज कैपेसिटर with dielectric medium, this we will study, करेक्ट। तो कैपेसिटर विद डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम जो होता है, तो ध्यान देना, एनी डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम हाउ डज इट एक्ट। तो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम क्या होते हैं, दे आर बेसिकली इंसुलेटर्स बिकॉज द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स, आप देखें मेटल्स में क्या होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर फ्री, दे आर नॉट फाउंड इन द वैलेंस शेल। वैलेंस शेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन नहीं होते, वो फ्री हो जाते हैं, तो दे कैन बी पुश टू द कंडक्शन बैंड, और इन द नॉर्मल टेम्परेचर रूम टेम्परेचर पे भी इन द मेटल्स इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर फाउंड इन द कंडक्शन बैंड। बट this dielectric medium, what happens there, in this dielectric medium these electrons are bounded to the valence shell. The valence shell में electron bounded होते हैं, they are not free to move, hence इसमें movement is very less. At the max what they can do, they go for the polarization and all. तो यहाँ पे electrons they are not free to move as compared to metals. That is the basic thing. And this dielectric medium preferably normally they behave as a insulator. How does it impact under the effect of capacitor, that we will see. तो मान लो कोई डायलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम है, here what happens, they have the atoms, they will have some positive and negative charges. इस पर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्जेस होंगे एंड दे आर रैंडमली प्लेस्ड, दे हैव द अरेंजमेंट ऑफ देयर पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव चार्जेस, आपके जो होंगे वो रैंडम प्लेसमेंट भी हो सकता है, मतलब पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव लेफ्ट राइट है, ऊपर नीचे है, और अपसाइड डाउन, एनीथिंग लाइक दैट। दिस अरेंजमेंट इज हियर ना। तो दिस एटम्स of dielectric medium, they have the electrons and positive charges in different orientation. When field is zero, when external field is zero, different orientation of atoms. In the case E is called E external field is zero. If external field is zero, they have the different orientations, and this dielectric medium have the atoms, there are two type. These atoms or molecules can be there. So these atom molecules what will have, they have the thing polar and non-polar, two type of behavior they make, polar and non-polar. It is also important to see their polarization extent. Polar molecules are what they are, non-polar molecules what they are. In the polar molecules, the center of positive charge and negative charge, they do not coincide. Whenever the center of mass position of positive and negative charge do not coincide, they are at a finite separation, that creates the polar molecule, like dipole moment, dipole behavior, because plus and minus charge they are at a finite separation. Non-polar means here they are balancing, मतलब center of positive and negative they are at the same position, coinciding, hence the gap between positive and negative charge is zero. The dipole moment here it will be zero. Here I will say non-polar dipole moment is zero, but here the dipole moment is not zero, but in both the cases they are randomly oriented in the absence of external field. So what happens, they will give E net by this dielectric is zero in the absence of some external field. This pattern we can see, correct. So positive negative charges of atoms molecules they are oriented in different direction, और इसकी नेट फील्ड क्या होती है, जीरो होती है, दे बिहेव एज ए इंसुलेटर्स. इट कैन बी एनीथिंग लाइक any plastic medium, insulating medium, like that it happens, any oil also we can do. तो ये डायलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम में प्रॉपर्टी होती है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट हैपेंस, वन दिस डायलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम इज प्लेस्ड इन एक्सटर्नल फील्ड. once it is placed in external field, what happens, all the atoms molecules of dielectric medium they start aligning themselves in the field of external. What we see, suppose I say there is a dielectric medium, say it is a dielectric medium, say like this, and this dielectric medium have the external field like this, say E naught. E naught is the external field. So what will happen? The molecules, atoms here, they will orient in a particular direction. They have the tendency to orient. Now what you will see, the field lines are coming like this. What will happen? Just see, this is the external field. Now, in the external field, what will happen? The positive and negative charges, once they are terminating, it is a negative. Negative charges, they will come closer to the boundary, and positive charges, they will be repelled, because the positive charges, they move in the direction of field. So, positive charges are being pushed outward and negative charge, they are closer. In this external field line, what you see, the atoms get polarized, their separation of positive negative, that gets elongated, separation gap increases, and arrangement is like this. All the different negative positive, they also get orientation like this, we can see, correct. Now see the last one, the same way, if I go for the other boundary atoms here, what we will have, see, because field lines are again coming out, the same external field E naught, here it is positive negative, positive negative, it is positive negative, this happens, positive negative charges, they are oriented this way. What you will find, external field is this, external field I am showing this way, say E naught. Now polarization causes the induced field due to induced charges. The induced charges, they create their own field. Here what will happen, just see, the induced charges, all these charges, see what happens here, there is a arrangement of negative charge, just see there is arrangement of negative charge. So this negative charge, they are arranged here like this, these are arranged in this pattern, and positive charges, they are here, just see, positive charges are here and negative charges are here, this will create opposite field. Now induced field E is in the opposite direction to the external field this. So this is called as induced field. Induced field E due to polarized atoms in presence of external knot, and they get aligned. First part is this, second is polarized atoms align for their net E opposite to external E naught. So they will align themselves in the opposite directions. So the polarization also happens, and field lines are also going like this. So net field here, if I say the net field in the presence of dielectric E net, that will be E naught minus E. This thing will happen. And if this dielectric medium, it has some dielectric constant K, we know that the charges polarized, they have the charge density, suppose it is sigma, both the side, it is for negative charge minus, here also it is sigma. So I say the induced charge sigma dash, as per the external field, I know sigma dash is minus of sigma times 1 minus 1 by K. This happens because induced charge, we have seen Q dash is equal to minus of Q times 1 minus 1 by K. This factor we can use. Induced charge and field, this is the induced charge. Induced charge. The induced charge of the dielectric medium, they create Q dash like this. Correspondingly, the field will also be the same way, because we know E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So E will be equal to the induced charges sigma by epsilon naught. It will subtract the net field. Net field will be decreased. The charge and E, they are related this way. Hence, net field will be decreased, and its magnitude also I can see. So what will the magnitude? Just see, for the case I have discussed, the net field is E naught minus E. Now we will put the values and get you the result. So this E net, if I write, it is E naught minus E due to induced charges hence this value is E naught minus E naught times induced charge values are 1 minus 1 by K. This factor will happen and this is E naught, E net. So, net value is just E naught minus E naught plus E naught by K. This is the net value for E net. Hence, this net value is E naught external field by K. The electric field is decreased by this factor if there is no battery attached. The net field is decreased for the capacitor arrangement or in the space where dielectric is placed. So, where the dielectric is placed, the net field has decreased. Na? The net field if it has decreased, what it causes? It will cause the capacitor, parallel plate capacitor as a capacitance. If I see, it is a positive charge plate and it is a negative charge plate, and if I place some dielectric medium here, the presence of the dielectric medium, say of the constant K. So, see the field here it was E naught, induced field happen here E, and net field E becomes equal to E naught by K. So, this factor we have for the net field. The net field is decreased in the place for this capacitor. So, what will happen for the capacitor, that also we can see. See the gap is D, field is decreased. Now, how to see the capacitance value? Also I can say C is equal to charge on the plate of capacitor Q over V potential difference. The potential difference is V. What I will do it now, the charge is Q or potential difference value. If you see here, it is E naught by K into D. This value I will see, E naught by K into D. This is the new field because field is decreased. E naught by K into D, this will cause the new field effect, correct. See, now what will happen? We know the charges and field effect here. Charge Q, capacitor has the surface area A. I will put them like this. So, what we will see, Q is sigma into area over this field is sigma by epsilon all field by K into D. This pattern I can make. Further, if I solve, so what I will get from here? If I solve the same thing, I put it this side, you see sigma got cancelled and field net capacitance will be C dash. I can say the new C dash value will be, just see it is K epsilon A by D. For parallel capacitor initially it was epsilon A by D. So, C dash is equal to K times A, K times C. The net capacitance is K times C. The capacitance will increase by this factor K because original capacitance C was epsilon A upon D. तो आप देखें with the respect to epsilon A by D, here it is getting K times increased. The net capacitance in the place of dielectric, it is increased. That value will be increased by the factor of K. ये रिजल्ट हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर द कैपेसिटेंस. कैपेसिटेंस वैल्यू इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ डाइलेक्ट्रिक विल इंक्रीज बिकॉज फील्ड इज डिक्रीज, potential difference is decreased. So, charge storing capacity will increase, correct. So, energy storage capacity will also increase, that thing we can see, correct. Hence, this dielectric medium polarization happens, and the dielectric, what I said, dielectric medium with the polarization vector P is also written as this chi into E. Also we write polarization vector happen here is this, and this is called as electric susceptibility. It is called as electric susceptibility. Na, it is, and it is the applied field, external field. Na, it is the E naught, and P the polarization vector. The polarization happened. The polarization vector P, how we can relate it this? and this polarization vector P is also called as dipole moment happened, dipole moment per unit volume, dipole moment per unit volume that defines the polarization, electric susceptibility and external field. These terms also they can be related. We also have the case of magnetic susceptibility, here it is electric susceptibility. All these factors they can be seen, correct. तो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम में आपके दोनों होते हैं, पोलर एंड नॉन पोलर, ऑन हाउ द पोलराइजेशन कैन हैपन इन एक्सटर्नल फील्ड बिकॉज द बॉन्ड लेंथ इट इज गेटिंग स्ट्रेच्ड and position of negative positive charges it is slightly displaced. The new polarization happens and all the random motion of atoms, polarized atoms, it gets oriented in a particular direction of the field, na? And that orientation creates its own field which is opposite to the external field. So, that factor happens for the dielectric medium in the presence of external field and for capacitance also we can see. ये चीज़ आप देख सकते हैं. Now what you will see, this dielectric medium they are placed, sometime they are partially filled or sometime not like that. So, suppose I see some dielectric medium, once it was completely filled I have told. Other case can also be, say it is a plate, and partially filled dielectric medium, partially filled dielectric medium can also happen. Partially filled dielectric medium also can happen. Say this is the capacitor, gap between them is D, area of the plate is A, and dielectric medium I am putting here as, na, say this is the dielectric medium of thickness T is happening. The thickness of dielectric medium is T and it has the constant K. See what will happen. The charge on the plates they are Q itself, na, charge density is like this. Here the charge Q is there and this is sigma into A, correct. So, what you will see, the new capacitance field is decreased here, but here the field you see it is E naught, this field here it is also E naught, but here field is E naught by K for the thickness T. So, if I write the capacitance C is equal to Q upon B, the Q is what? Q is sigma into area over, just see the V I will write one for the dielectric air medium, that is sigma by epsilon into D minus T, sigma by epsilon into D minus T, because the medium what is left for air, and for dielectric medium it is sigma by K epsilon into T. This thing I can write, correct. Just see this value I can write, see it is Q upon, the value factor is Q over net delta V between the plates of capacitors. Now, if I see sigma is throughout constant, what I will do, it is epsilon A into, here the factor is D minus T plus T by K. The new capacitance value in the for the case of partially filled dielectric medium, it is this epsilon A, here this one is for air thickness and this is for dielectric medium. So, this way we see the capacitance for partially filled dielectric. This pattern also we can see. तो डायलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम में ये बिहेवियर कैसे जाएगा, एक बार इसको भी आप चेक कर सकते हो. हाउ डज इट गो for the dielectric medium partially filled. Okay. Next I can say there can be two or more dielectrics, then how can happen? Suppose there are two or more dielectrics, in the capacitor, then how do they go? तो आप देखें, again I will take the dielectric and capacitor plates are like this, positive and negative, and here I have the plates, say one of them is of T1 thickness, constant K1, other can be of T2 thickness, constant K2, and total value thickness is D. correct. Area of the plate is A. Now, if I have to see n number of, say there are corresponding, there is nth plate also, this is the nth plate, correct. ये nth plate आपका आ गया, nth plate, it is with thickness Tn and constant value Kn. So, what I will see the similar pattern, if you approach, what will I see net capacitance C dash, it is epsilon A times, first of all the individual thickness value, what I will say T1 upon K1 plus T2 upon K2 plus this value will be Tn upon Kn, it is for the dielectric mediums ना, ये आ गया. Further the value will be D minus T1 plus T2 plus Tn, na, next values, it is like that. That will give the net value of capacitance. I see this capacitance is epsilon A over, just see for dielectric mediums how much they are, T1 by K1 plus T2 by K2 plus Tn by Kn, correct. What for the remaining air, it is D minus T1 minus T2, all these are minus values, correct, minus T3 minus Tn, this term will happen. So, this will give the total value of capacitance for many dielectrics, and suppose some space is still with air. So, that space still with air, it is for the air dielectric medium, air medium, and it is for dielectrics na. So, total value I can say this way also, the capacitance how it related with different dielectrics, that I have defined, correct. इससे आप कहीं पे वैल्यू निकाल सकते हो. कैपेसिटेंस में बेसिकली वी हैव टू सी चार्ज अपॉन पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस एंड दैट पैरामीटर कैन बी यूज्ड, करेक्ट. ये तो हमने यहाँ पे बता दिए. नेक्स्ट विल हैपन sometime these dielectrics they are in different combinations for series and parallel also I can see. So, capacitors with two or more dielectrics completely filling the space. Suppose I see this is the capacitor plate, parallel plate capacitor I am saying, it is the positive plate and this is negative plate, it is filled in the space for first half, say it is filled with K1 dielectric medium, here it is K1, and second dielectric medium, here I can take it as K2, K1 K2 are the two, and the gap between them is D, area of the plate is A, correct, it is like this, and say half it is distributing for the two and it is fully filling the capacitor plates. What I will do, the net capacitance effect here. So, just see what I will say, this is the capacitor C1 and this is the capacitance C2. These two are in parallel combination because plus and minus potential difference is remaining same. So, C1 I will say it is as K1 epsilon area, just see for the half plate area will be, here area is A by 2, it is A by 2 upon D, and C2 will be, just see it is K2 epsilon A by 2 into D, this thing we have, and these two capacitors with dielectric they are in parallel combination, it is for parallel combination, just see these two are in parallel combination. So, when they are in parallel combination, so what I will say, C net is equal to C1 plus C2, and C net will be, just see it is K1 epsilon A upon 2D plus K2 epsilon A upon 2D, and this C net is K epsilon A by D. This value I can see for these two capacitors bearing in parallel combination. What I get, just see, you can see the value A upon D is common, epsilon is also common, that I can remove. So, what the result I get, K is equal to, just see here, epsilon A by D is common, so K1 by 2 plus K2 by 2. So, effective K for this I can say K effective, it is K1 plus K2 by 2 for two dielectrics for the capacitor plates forming the parallel combination. So for the parallel combination, how does it go? How we have seen, just see the value. Parallel combination में हमारा ये result आ जाता है. Two dielectrics are fully filling the space between the dielectrics. How do I go? तो ये पैटर्न भी आप देख सकते हो. करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, देयर कैन बी द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन ऑल्सो. मान लो हमारे पास जो कैपेसिटर प्लेट्स हैं, दे आर लाइक दिस, and I have the capacitor plates like this, and the two dielectric I am putting, the two dielectrics I am putting here, it is K1 and second one is K2. The gap is d by 2, here gap is d by 2. See, they are filling the space half each. Again find the net capacitance, this for C1. C1 will be just see K1 epsilon A over d by 2, and this C2 it is K2 epsilon A over d by 2. This thing will happen, and these two are in series combination. So I will say 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1. 1 by C1, if you see what it is, d by 2 K epsilon A plus d by 2 K1 epsilon A, K2 epsilon A, and C I can write it as d over K epsilon A. For the net capacitance arrangement, it is this. Just see, I am saying what 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 by C2. This result we have. So what the effective value will get? Just see, d over epsilon A throughout this remaining constant. Now that value is 1 upon K. It is equal to half of 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. This value I will get for effective K of the capacitors in series. Also I can see what you will get from here. Just see, it is 2 by K equal to 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2. This value we have for the capacitor. Two dielectrics in series combination we have this. ये combination effect हम लोग पा सकते हैं. करेक्ट. अगर इसी में if I have to go for n dielectrics, n dielectric mediums, if we have n dielectric mediums of different values K1, K2, K3 and Kn, then what I have, it is n by K is equal to 1 by K1 plus 1 by K2 plus 1 by K3 plus 1 by Kn. This result I will make na for the series combination of dielectric. For n mediums I can go for this. This result is also correct. You can see, you can relate. ये वैल्यू भी आपको यहाँ पे ऐसे ही मिल जाएगी ना. तो डायलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम का ये पैटर्न हमको मिल सकता है. द सेम वे had there been the series, sorry, parallel combination, for parallel combination of dielectric अगर ऐसे ही होता n dielectrics, n dielectric mediums, what we have for parallel combination of n dielectric medium, आपकी वैल्यू जो k इफेक्टिव हो जाएगी, इट इज K1 प्लस K2 प्लस K3 Kn upon n, effective K if they are filling the space. Parallel combination वैसे आ गया. And series I have told, because for the two I have done, it is K was equal to K1 plus K2 by 2. For the 3 it will be K1 plus K2 plus K3 by 3. For n numbers it is like that. So this thing we can have for dielectric medium. Series and parallel combination, exclusive series, exclusive parallel I have done. Correct. Again we have combination also. Combination of dielectric medium also we can have. वहाँ भी हम इसके रिजल्ट को देख सकते हैं. Let us see. Suppose I say it is a capacitor plate, second capacitor plate, and half of the plate is filled with dielectric say K1, and second half is filled here, one with K2, other with K3, and see the capacitors. It is a positive plate and this one is negative plate. This gap I can take as d by 2. This is also for d by 2. Correct. Now if I have to see the capacitances, What I will see it individually, first of all I can write the capacitance values. So for K1 I will write C1, for K2 I will write C2, for K3 I will write C3. So C1 is K1 epsilon A by D by 2, C2 will be K2 epsilon A by 2 over D by 2. For C3 I will write it is K3 epsilon A by 2 over D by 2. This thing we have, because this it has the area A by 2 half. Here the area was full A, correct. Now what I see, this plate is certainly dividing. I assume here the potential is constant. Here say it was V, it was 0. Here I take V as constant. It is assumed, say it is a metal plate. Something thin metal plate is placed here, and further next segment is coming. So what I will see, if I am putting this V as constant here, and the two plates potential differences they are going like this, so my net capacitance C will be, see these two are in parallel combination and net is in series. So 1 upon C will be 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus C3. So this is the net capacitance effect I will have. Correspondingly I can get the value of K also. इफेक्टिव K की वैल्यू भी यहाँ से हम लोग निकाल सकते हैं, ठीक है ना, ये एक आइडिया आपको रखना है. नाउ फॉर द कैपेसिटर प्लेट्स सम टाइम इट इज मेंशन, एक और केस इसमें आता है, उसको भी आई विल डिस्कस हियर. आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर. हियर दिस सेगमेंट प्लेट आई पुट इट एज constant potential difference. Some confusion arises कि say this K1 K2 are different, here the potential difference will they remain same or not. So if it is not remaining constant, this plate had it been not been kept constant, I have the different idea, उसको भी हम लोग कर सकते हैं. What it is, just see, अगर मैं प्लेट में उसको डिफाइन नहीं किया, I say it is a thin boundary not specified, not any metal plate is being placed in between, and here this is for K1, this for K1 and second plate is this. और यहाँ मैंने क्या कर लिया, just see the two are going like this, it is for K2, it is for K3, and the gap is D by 2, this gap is D by 2. So what I will do for this combination, because field here is different, here field are different values, I will say I will divide these two like this. मैं पूरे इसको इधर कर लूँगा, इसको इधर कर लूँगा. The two combinations I will take. अब आप क्या देखोगे, ये जो कैपेसिटर है दिस C1, C1 का हाफ ऑफ दिस इज कमिंग विद दिस, ये हो गया C1 by 2 and it is again C1 by 2, C2 C3 remain same. So what I will see, the total capacitance in this case of arrangement, इसका सेगमेंट में अलग ले रहा हूँ, इसका सेगमेंट अलग ले रहा हूँ फॉर द पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन, करेक्ट. तब आप क्या देखोगे, दिस वैल्यू इज C1 by 2, ये C2 और ये C3, करेक्ट. तो व्हाट आई विल डू, इन दोनों का जो नेट इफेक्ट आएगा, अगर मैं इसको लिखता हूँ तो व्हाट आई विल राइट इट एज, देखिएगा ये आ गया, दिस टू आर इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन. इसके लिए मैं कैपेसिटेंस क्या लिखता हूँ C2, इसका कैपेसिटेंस C3, समझ गए. तो C1 by 2 व्हाट आई विल राइट, इट इज K1 epsilon A by 2 over D by 2, इट इज C1 by 2. ये वैल्यू आपको मिल सकती है यहाँ पे, करेक्ट. ये चीज़ हमने इसके लिए ऐसे लिख दी, C1 by 2 द कैपेसिटेंस. नाउ विल राइट 1 by C इक्वल टू, अब देखो यहाँ पे वैल्यू इसका पहले लिख लेते हैं हम लोग, तो व्हाट इट इज 1 अपॉन C1 by 2, ये आ गया आपके पास, प्लस 1 अपॉन C2, दैट इज दिस कॉम्बिनेशन, करेक्ट. तो C2 की वैल्यू क्या आ गई, C2 इज दिस, C2 इज जैसे K2 epsilon A by 2 over D by 2. This thing I can write. C3 is K3 epsilon A by 2 over d by 2. So 1 by c is this for this combination. Second one also I will say like this for this combination. इसके लिए जो करूँगा मैं ये c डैश इसको c डबल डैश मान c डबल डैश I take. What is c double dash for this combination? So 1 upon c1 by 2 plus 1 upon c3. So it is this. And c dash, c double dash, they are in parallel combination. So c net will be c dash plus c double dash. Correct. So this arrangement also I can make. मैंने क्या किया? फर्स्ट हाफ इन दोनों को पहले सीरीज में मान लिया, सेकेंड हाफ इन दोनों को भी क्या मान लिया, सीरीज में मान लिया. नेट कॉम्बिनेशन इज इन पैरेलल. So this approach also we can make if we are not considering this mid plate as being at constant potential. ये सेगमेंट आगे पीछे हो रहा है, मतलब सेम पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस नहीं आ रहे हैं. यहाँ पे जो है एवरीवेयर फॉर दिस प्लेट पोटेंशियल इज नॉट सेम. आई विल यूज दिस फार्मूला एंड गेट द रिजल्ट. हम ऐसे भी कर सकते थे. करेक्ट. एंड रेस्पेक्टिव वैल्यूज आई हैव मेंशन्ड. ये भी एक तरीका है. दिस क्वेश्चन हैज कम इन प्रीवियस ईयर आईआईटी. सम डिस्क्रिपेंसीज आर देयर. तो बोथ द मेथड्स आई हैव डिस्कस्ड. करेक्ट. इससे आप ये क्वेश्चन कर सकते थे. नाउ once we have these values for the capacitor and the arrangement, some other cases can also arise like that. What does it say? Suppose I say this is the plate positive, this is the plate say negative, and the K itself here, what is happening, the K in the medium, the K, this is the K medium, correct. The K in the downward direction, it is varying. If we are coming downward, say along y axis, this is we are coming down and this gap is D, and say the area of the plate is E. Now, the K as a function of y, I can write K naught plus alpha into y. I can see. Say this is the value of K varying with this. Means what I am saying, y is increasing, the K is also increasing, Ky is also increasing. Something is happening. So there are so many capacitor plates. They can be there. If there are so many capacitor plates here, how will see the net combination that we can get? आप क्या करोगे? You will take one general capacitor here like this, of thickness say dy, area this, and it will carry the capacitance dc. The dc value I can write. The dc value I can write K epsilon A upon gap is dy. It is dc. Correct. This is the value of dc. All these capacitors, they will be in series combination. So 1 upon dc. So 1 upon dc, if you see, it is dy over K. K is K naught times 1 plus alpha y. It is the K into epsilon into A. I will integrate and I will get the result. So this term 1 upon C, that you see the result, 1 upon K naught epsilon A, and this is integration of dy over 1 plus alpha y. This value I need to integrate. So what I will get? Just see, the 1 upon C will be 1 upon K naught times alpha epsilon A, and this value is ln of 1 plus alpha y, and coefficient gets divided to 1 upon alpha. This value we get. I put the limits from 0 to D is varying from 0 to D. This way we get the capacitance value will get 1 upon C is equal to 1 upon K naught epsilon A alpha ln log A minus log B ln the value will be 1 plus alpha D over next time alpha 0th upon 1. Na? This value I can put. So this term will happen, and further for removing any confusion, this K naught I have written. K naught was remaining constant. This K naught is multiplier in fact. ना ये वैल्यू हमारा आ सकता है. तो further values, how do we get for the results? Just see, I can say the for the sake say if sometime it is creating log 1 not defined also, I will write it as 2 k naught times 1 plus alpha y. So, I can say k naught times this value is 2 plus alpha y, k naught 2 k naught, you write it as 2 k naught, correct. तो ये थोड़ा सा आप चेक कर लेना यहाँ पे, इफ आई राइट इट एज इफ आई एम टेकिंग के नॉट एज कांस्टेंट, ठीक है, तो 2 प्लस अल्फा वाई एंड दैट रिजल्ट वी कैन गेट. तो आप इसमें दैट शुड नॉट बी अनडिफाइंड बिकॉज लॉग 1 इज अनडिफाइंड, तो कांस्टेंट शैल बी पुट कि ये वेल डिफाइंड टर्म आ जाए. तो कैपेसिटेंस फॉर द सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन इफ के इज वेरिंग विद के माने वाई इज चेंजिंग, तो k is also changing, that function for the series combination I have defined, correct. अब इसके बाद this can be also in the parallel combination for the capacitors, this k can go this way also, just see the gap is d and what happens, this k I can take this way, I can take like this way, and here k is varying with x. Say here the term x is 0 and here we are coming, the side length is a, correct, gap is d. Square plates for the capacitor I am putting square plates has area equal to a square, correct, and gap is this, and this k as a function of x I will write k is equal to k naught times 1 plus alpha x, function of x I can also see. So, what you will see, this k is varying along the length ना, ऐसे आप मान सकते हो, and this area I take as a और length wise vary कर रहा है. Here the capacitance will be, how does it go, that you have to see this capacitor plate is going this way और इसमें भी जो capacitor plate आएगी ऐसे आएगी. तो these two top and bottom plates, they are at the separation d, they will create a capacitance. So, dc here small capacitance I will write k epsilon a, area, what area will be, it is small a into dx, small a side length and this thickness is dx, small a into dx I will write, upon the gap is d. So, this is the function of small capacitance dc I can write. So, this dc value I will say dc is what, dc is k epsilon a dx over d value. Now, integrate this, integrate. So, this value c will be just see k is k naught times 1 plus alpha x into epsilon into a into dx over d. ना, so this value is k naught epsilon a upon d integration of 1 plus alpha x dx is changing from 0 to a, this will get the value of this. So, this term will be just see k naught epsilon a upon d और ये वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी, देखो आप अल्फा डी एक्स, तो x प्लस अल्फा एक्स स्क्वायर बाई 2, पुट द लिमिट 0 to a, तो आपको नेट कैपेसिटेंस यू कैन सी, द नेट कैपेसिटेंस विल बी जस्ट सी k naught epsilon a upon d multiplied with the term just see it is a plus alpha into a square by 2. So, this is the capacitance value C net I got. So, C net for the parallel combination how I am getting, parallel combination में k वेरी कर सकता है, सीरीज में भी वेरी कर सकता है, and both the methods I have taken for their series and parallel combination. तो कैसे भी आए, एलिमेंट कैसे लेते हैं, हाउ द रिजल्ट्स गो, ऑल दैट वी हैव टू सी, ठीक है ना, ये आप एक आइडिया बना लेंगे. नेक्स्ट, फॉर द सीरीज एंड पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन इफेक्टिव कैपेसिटेंसेस वैल्यूज आई हैव डिफाइंड ना, इसमें एक दो और केसेस आते हैं दैट विल सी लेटर ऑन. अब मैं कहता हूँ कि कैपेसिटर प्लस डाइलेक्ट्रिक and it is attached with battery. If I attach some battery also here, how do the capacitance go and all happens, that we have to see. ये पैटर्न हम देखते हैं क्या. सपोज आई सी दिस इज द कैपेसिटर and this is the battery and this is the switch, say like this. ऐसा कुछ वैल्यू था. This battery V of 12 volt I say, and this capacitance in air, C in air, it was 4 microfarad. Na 4 microfarad is there. Now if switch is pressed, charge start flowing. The initial charge obtained on the capacitor, that will be C into V. So what you will see, initial charge on the capacitor C into V, it is 48 microcoulomb because it is C into V. That happened. Now ये चीज हो गई. Now if I put some dielectric medium, find the new charge flow when K is equal to 3 is put into capacitor plate. If this is put into the capacitor plate, अब मैं यहाँ पे क्या डाल दिया, K is equal to 3 is placed. K is equal to 3 is placed here. So after placement of this dielectric, new capacitance C dash, that is K into C, and that will be 4 into 3. So 4 into 3 microfarad. Hence it is, the value is 12 microfarad. So new charge Q dash, that will be established here is C, आपका new charge will be C dash into voltage of battery. Battery voltage does not change after the placement of any dielectric medium. Battery voltage does not change. C dash is 12 into 12. So it will be 144. It is 144 microcoulomb. 144 microcoulomb the charge flown after dielectric being placed. So the extra charge delta Q, what is flown, is Q dash minus Q. So that value will be 144 minus initial charge, how much it was? It was 48. It is 96 microcoulomb. So 96 microcoulomb is the charge flown, additional charge flown when the dielectric is placed. ना ये चीज़ आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं. And the new energy also you can see. The final energy after initial energy on the dielectric, that was half. C was 4 into 12 chi square. Final energy on the dielectric, that will be half into 12 due to dielectric medium into 12 chi square. So this is the initial and final energy. Energy is being increased. So final energy here for this place you will see, final energy is K times initial energy of the dielectric. Energy will become 3 times more. Correct? Because dielectric is this. You can compare the energies and here you can see the charge flow will increase if capacitor is with dielectric medium and switch is pressed. ये एक आइडिया रखेंगे, capacitor with dielectric and how the charge flow increase or charge flow can decrease also in some factors, that also you will see. Energy में भी ये फर्क आता है. Correct? लेकिन जब बैटरी होगी, ध्यान देना, बैटरी is the super power. Battery will maintain the potential difference. Same what is mentioned on the battery plates, either there is a dielectric medium or not. जब dielectric medium होगा, भले ही field कम हो जाता है, but it can give more charge. It can give more charge to it. Correct? It can give the more charge to the dielectric medium so that field is remaining constant. So this value we can do. तो ये आप ध्यान दीजिएगा. How do we see the charges on the plates and dielectric medium? I think it is clear. Correct? Now I will take one more case. When capacitor is there, capacitor plus dielectric and no battery. Battery is not there. No battery is there. I am not involving battery. Already charged some capacitor was there. Suppose I say this is the capacitor already it was charged, and see here I see the capacitance is C is 4 microfarad, and charge the battery it was having, say the charge it was having, previous case से मान लेता हूँ मैं कि see the charge here, initial charge here it was 48 microcoulomb. The charge initial placed here was 48 microcoulomb and capacitance was this microfarad. ये दो वैल्यू आपके पास थी, initial charge was 48 microcoulomb and capacitance was this. Now what I do, I put a डायलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम, मैंने इसमें डायलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम फुल्ली फिल्ड डाल दिया, एक डस प्लेस्ड हियर, डायलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम विद K equal to 3 is placed. Now what will happen? See, once there is no battery, charge remains conserved, Q initial is equal to Q final, charge remains conserved, correct. Capacitance will increase. So if K dash is placed there, तो C initial वो तो आपका कितना था 4 माइक्रोफैराड, बट C फाइनल इट विल बी 4 into 3 माइक्रोफैराड. कैपेसिटेंस इज इंक्रीज 12 माइक्रोफैराड, करेक्ट, बिकॉज चार्ज रिमेन सेम, चार्ज तो कहीं नहीं गया, चार्ज रिमेन सेम, बट कैपेसिटेंस इज इंक्रीज. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, द फील्ड इज डिक्रीज बिकॉज इट विल क्रिएट द नेगेटिव चार्जेस, पोलराइज चार्जेस विल कॉज द फील्ड डिक्रीज. तो E डैश फील्ड जो होगा दैट विल बी E अपॉन K, K इज 3 ईयर, और कॉरस्पॉन्डिंगली जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V डैश दिस V बाई K, इट इज V बाई 3, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज डिक्रीज्ड, चार्ज रिमेन्स सेम, करेक्ट. हेंस द एनर्जी U फाइनल इफ यू सी इट इज Q स्क्वायर बाई K इंटू C. तो फाइनल एनर्जी इज U स्क्वायर बाई 3 और U स्क्वायर बाई K. एनर्जी यहाँ पे घट जाती है, तो कैपेसिटर विदाउट डाइलेक्ट्रिक इफ इट इज देयर, सॉरी विदाउट बैटरी इट इज देयर, एनर्जी इज डिक्रीज Q स्क्वायर बाई 2C. हियर द फैक्टर इज व्हाट, चार्ज रिमेन सेम, डाइलेक्ट्रिक से पहले और डाइलेक्ट्रिक के बाद क्या सेम है, चार्ज रिमेन सेम, एंड पोटेंशियल इज डिक्रीज, फील्ड इज डिक्रीज, कैपेसिटेंस इज इंक्रीज. तो आपके इसमें क्या हो गया, केवल दो चीज़ें चेंज हो गई, C डैश बिकम्स KC, U डैश एनर्जी क्या हो गया U अपॉन K ना, फील्ड E dash that becomes E upon K, and potential V dash that is equal to V upon K. All these factors, how do they go when capacitor with dielectric, before and after, how does it happen? तो ये रिजल्ट हम लोग यहाँ पर चेक कर सकते हैं, करेक्ट. ये भी एक पैटर्न आपको मिलेगा, कैपेसिटर विद डाइलेक्ट्रिक एंड नो बैटरीज देयर. फंडामेंटल स्टेटमेंट क्या है, चार्ज रिमेन सेम, कैपेसिटर बढ़ जाता है, फील्ड घट जाएगा, पोटेंशियल भी घट जाएगा, एनर्जी भी K टाइम से घट जाएगी. तो दीज अरेंजमेंट्स आई हैव डन ना, ऐसा कुछ है. अब इसके कुछ केसेस और भी आ सकते हैं. हाउ डू आई सी, जस्ट सी, सपोज आई से देयर वाज दिस कैपेसिटर, ये कोई कैपेसिटर है एंड दे आर अटैच्ड टू अ बैटरी, say like this, I am taking this case, just see, and this battery is of 12 volt, and suppose I say it is 3 microfarad, it is 6 microfarad. What is the charge and energy here? तो आप देखोगे इस केस में वोल्टेजेस, चार्ज एंड एनर्जी इनिशियल, इनिशियल आप देखोगे Q इनिशियल चार्ज फ्लो जो कर गया यहाँ पे सिस्टम में, तो C नेट विल बी 6 into 3, 6 plus 3, तो इट इज 2 माइक्रोफैराड इंटू 12. तो इनिशियल चार्ज C नेट की वैल्यू 2 आएगी, 3 into 6 over 3 plus 6 into 12, तो इट इज 24 माइक्रोकूलम इन द इनिशियल चार्ज फ्लोइंग, करेक्ट. इट वॉज दिस एनर्जी स्टोर्ड ऑन द कैपेसिटर, ऑल्सो आई कैन सी इनिशियल एनर्जी स्टोर्ड ऑन द कैपेसिटर, अगर देखोगे आई कैन से Q स्क्वायर बाई 2C ना, तो Q का स्क्वायर कितना हो गया आपका, यू कैन अप्लाई दिस Q स्क्वायर बाई 2C, 24 का स्क्वायर अपॉन नेट कैपेसिटेंस इज 2 into 2, तो जैसे 24 का स्क्वायर दैट इज 576 बाई 4, दिस वैल्यू वी हैव. फर्दर इफ आई सॉल्व, what it is 4 1 जा 4, 4 6 जा 16, 166. So 166 microjoule, this I can get. 4 1 जा 4, 1 7 16, तो 1 14, 4 जा ना 146. It is 144, not 166, 144. It is 144 microjoule. 144 microjoule is the initial energy stored here. Now, what happened? I place some dielectric medium. मैंने किसी एक कैपेसिटर पे dielectric medium डाल दिया. Now what happened? After this I am putting dielectric medium of K is equal to 2. It is added. यहाँ पे K की वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 2 आ गई. Now what is the final charge and all? अब इसका final charge what it will be? Now K is placed here. तो net capacitance will be 6. 6 और 6 क्या हो गए? सीरीज में 6 सीरीज में नेट वैल्यू क्या आ गई? 3. तो फाइनल चार्ज विल बी C हो गया 3 इंटू 12. तो दिस इज 36 माइक्रो कूलम इज द फाइनल चार्ज. व्हाट वाज द इनिशियल चार्ज? दिस. व्हाट इज द फाइनल energy stored? That also I can see half CV square you can do. Half C becomes how much? 3 na. C net is 3. Right now the C net की value 663. C net is 3 microfarad. Half C is 3 into voltage का square 12 का square. तो 144 into 3 by 2. This thing I can do. Correct? So this is 72 into 3. It is 216 microjoule. So 216 microjoule is the final energy. Initial energy was this. ये चीज़ हम लोग यहाँ पर कर पाए. Initial energy, final energy stored. तो energy is increased in the presence of dielectric medium. Energy is increased in the presence of dielectric medium. और यहाँ पे अब जो वोल्टेज भी था, जैसे मान लो बाद का जो वोल्टेज होगा क्योंकि 6 हो चुका, तो यहाँ पे अब क्या होगा? 6 वोल्ट ड्रॉप. Final voltage. Here also the voltage is 6 volt drop. That way also you can do. तो यहाँ पे आपने फाइनल एनर्जी, इनिशियल एनर्जी देख लिया. अब आप देखोगे क्या? What is the extra charge flow? Final charge we have, initial charge we have. The extra charge flow delta Q also I can see. The extra charge flow will be, just see, initial charge was 24 microcoulomb, final charge is 36 microcoulomb. Final, it is Q final minus Q initial, so it is 36 minus 24, it is 12 microcoulomb is the extra charge flown. The extra charge flown by the battery is this. Correct? अब आप देखो, now if I have to see the change in energy, here the energy is, initial energy was 144, last energy is 216. तो what the value it is having? तो आप देखेंगे 144, तो दिस इज 72, तो डेल्टा यू इट इज 72 माइक्रोजूल. चेंज एनर्जी 216 minus 144, तो डेल्टा यू इज 72 माइक्रोजूल. दिस थिंग आई कैन गेट. डेल्टा एडिशनल चार्ज is 12 microcoulomb. So what is extra work done by battery? Extra work done by battery, if you see, it is extra charge flow is 12 into 12. So extra work done by battery is this, and delta U extra happened is 72 microjoule. It is also microjoule. Hence heat produced here is again 72 microjoule. फिर से यहाँ पे एफिशिएंसी ऑफ बैटरी क्या हो गई? 50%. तो कैपेसिटर में जब एक्स्ट्रा चार्ज हो गया तो जितनी एनर्जी स्टोर हो रही तो वर्क डन बाय बैटरी अगेन 50% कन्वर्टिंग इनटू द डेल्टा यू एंड 50% इनटू हीट. तो दिस कॉन्सेप्ट ऑल्सो वी सी हियर. तो ये रिजल्ट भी हम लोग यहाँ पर चेक कर सकते हैं कि चार्ज फ्लो, एनर्जी क्या है कैपेसिटर्स में, रिजल्ट क्या हो रहा है, ऑल दैट वी हैव. करेक्ट? गेटिंग इट? तो ये एक आइडिया भी रखना कि चार्ज का स्विच में और ऐसे रिजल्ट कैसे आते हैं. नेक्स्ट, तो कैपेसिटर विद बैटरी एलिमेंट, हाउ द कैपेसिटेंस इज चेंजिंग, एनर्जी इज चेंजिंग एंड पोटेंशियल डिफरेंसेस work done, all that I have defined. Now further, here some more cases I can do. You can take as a thing. This is the capacitor, another capacitor I can take, ठीक है, and these two capacitors they were charged, and I have the third one this way also, correct, and this arrangement say it is 6 microfarad, it is 3 microfarad, and it is 2 microfarad arrangement was here, correct. If this arrangement is here and we have a battery and this is the switch, the initial charge flow and all the things we can get, that value we have. Now after the switch is being pressed and this battery is 12 volt, this battery is of the value 12 volt हम मान सकते हैं. After this arrangement I am putting the two dielectrics, one dielectric I am putting here for K is equal to 2, this dielectric is causing here K is equal to 2, correct. Here the capacitance will increase, and here what is happening, here I am putting one more dielectric and this dielectric value is K is equal to 3 by 2. Simultaneously both the dielectrics are placed, one there, one here. So you have to find when these two dielectrics are being placed, what is delta Q extra flow by the battery, what is delta U on the system, heat produced, now all these things we can do. What is the C net extra also I can do. All these results can be done with the same principle what I have discussed for the dielectrics, उसको आप यहाँ अप्लाई करेंगे तो सारे रिजल्ट्स आ सकते हैं. तो दिस क्वेश्चन आई एम गिविंग यू एज ए होमवर्क, इसको आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. स्टिल इफ इट इज़ नॉट कमिंग आई विल डिस्कस, ये केस मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस कर दूंगा. तो दिस वाज फॉर डायलैक्ट्रिक मीडियम और उसमें अप्रोच क्या होता है फॉर द डिफरेंट कैपेसिटर्स दैट आई हैव डिस्कस, ठीक है. इसको आप करिए, इस पर क्वेश्चन बनते हैं बहुत सारे, वेरिएशंस और भी होंगे. इफ़ रिक्वायर्ड आई विल टेक वन मोर लेक्चर जिसमें पूरा इसको मैं कंप्लीट कर दूंगा. थैंक यू.